Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing something different. I am at the airport and my little challenge I'm gonna do today is how to do your makeup on an airplane. A lot of people are like, oh my God, it's not enough time, it's not enough room. Well, I'm hefty and I'm gonna do it. So here we go. Beat it, beat, Jack with Tracy. Set it with Tracy, yeah. Alright, you guys, welcome on back. Shit, I'm not buying on this plane and shit. All my makeup is in here, so let's get it started. I'm gonna take me some MAC Strobe Cream. But who ain't got a brow? Who don't have brows? Brows on a plane. Brow, no brow. Brow, no brow. It's my favorite. It's double-ended brush from Sephora. I'm pretty sure they still have it. And if they don't, Morphe has one for sure. Turbulence started to hit. Turbulence and brows, right? Okay, so basically the turbulence started hitting, right? So I wanted to speed up the video. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking my concealer and I'm snatching out the brow. What you say? Snatching out the brow. Snatch out your brows, sis. No matter some shaking or the plane fall, we gonna die with good brows, period, 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 period. So take that concealer, snatch it out, and then let's get right into the next part. That color into your crease, and you're gonna want to bring it all the way up. Take it up to the high bone, bitch. You know what time it is. Like I said, I'm gonna use this, and that's gonna deepen out the crease. So most of the times I do grab multiple brushes, but because I'm traveling and seeing that I'm gonna be on the move all this time, I'm gonna be out here, I only brought like 4 brushes because I need my looks to be simplistic. I need them to look like I'm a snatched yummy mom who's ready to work. So you guys, I'm taking some of this brown, right, and I'm gonna just tap that into my crease. I had to put it on me because somebody's baby started screaming like a crazy person. But anywho, take a brown and blend that into your crease, and then next you're gonna see what's coming up. So stay tuned. So coming in with this prismatic ink, I'm gonna take my fingers and get a good coat on it like that. And we're literally gonna dab it on the line. Bop! Really pack that color into the lid. I usually use my Black Radiance, but I could not risk losing my Black Radiance on the plane. I don't care if it is store brand, store or drugstore, that's my shit. And if it would have gotten broken or cracked or stolen, I would have just lost my ever-living life. So I grabbed my Maybelline. I'm gonna take about 3 pumps because I don't know if it's really hot out in Vegas. That same brush I applied my primer with, I'm gonna dab it and go right into the skin and work that in. And move your hair out the way with your powder. We're not gonna set because we're on the move. But generally, just like dust your nose, dust your under eyes, because those are the things that are gonna fucking move always. So just get under there. Grab my Old Faithful. Boom. Okay. All right, you guys, as we are descending out of this plane, this is the final look. I hope you guys loved it. You know, turn up and looking all beautiful and shit. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and repost this video. Thank you guys for watching, and turn up. I can't wait for the next one. Bye.